Last day in Palermo, in where are we right now? I always forget it. In Mondello. So today the weather is not really good, and we already saw many things here. I mean, that's the beach. We went to the restaurants and we didn't like anything from the restaurants. So right now I'm going to show you our breakfast. We're going to show you our breakfast. All of these things costed like 20 euros, and we're doing this because we weren't really excited. We were really excited to see what type of foods they have here, but the service here, you know, it felt like they're just like joking with us and everything. So, you know, we didn't find anything else and everything. Like the good ones are in Palermo in the city center, but we might go there at night. So today I'm gonna show you what we got for here. So we almost lost the bus today, so I had to keep everything here in this bag. I put everything here and I was like running with those. So if there's anything broken, I mean, it is, what can we do about it? But I don't think I took something that it can get broken. So let's start. So it's also gonna be our breakfast and our lunch, all of those things. Lunch. So we start with some bread. You know, it's really good bread, soft.
Smells.
So these are like snacks. Those are for Mariela. Those are for me. I hope they're really chili because I love chili. Those are also for Mariela because she really likes to. Yeah, she really likes actually to stay healthy. Then I took also this bread, which this bread is, you know, I really love the breads with what is this, Mariela?
Sesame seed.
With sesame seed, and it's like really thick and inside is soft. Then we took some cheese and everything for Mariela too. I don't know where she can put it. The best part, I don't need no orange juice, no, I don't know, anything. If I have this thing here, all right, this thing, I can drink this thing all the time, you know. I can drink this thing all the time. And of course the cucumbers, they are this salty taste and everything, it's absolutely amazing. So then for the bread, so we can put in the bread something so it won't be a dry bread. I took this beef. I took this beef meat. I think it's gonna be good. I don't think how many there are inside, but it's gonna be good. Then, oh, did this one open? Well, it's okay. I mean, it's just a bit open right here, but I think it's gonna be fine. I think it's fine. This is a yogurt probably.
Yeah,
Coconut yogurt. Maria likes everything with coconut. And there is a guy walking around here. So this guy, he actually sells fresh coconut in like small. So we'll try to buy those if we have like money. So the best part, a really good part is these things here. Yesterday we bought a mix of fish. It was like 7 euros. The shrimp, what's the shrimp?
Shrimp, yeah.
The shrimp was terribly, I'm telling you, terribly dirty. It was cooked so like 5 times. The octopus was bad, so oil. What was it? Calamari, much more worse. Calamari was like a gum. Okay, of course it's always like a gum, but it was really like a gum. No, so I took this. It has, I don't know, many things inside. I don't know what are all of these, but I see some octopus, I see some white things, I see some, I don't know how do you call those. We call those in Greece media. It was like 3 euros. Is there a ham? Is there a ham in the fish mix? Shouldn't be a ham though, but anyway, I see some shrimps, some octopus, maybe I said that, yeah. So we have already many things here. Then I got a really beautiful small jar of fish. Probably we call this fish sardella. I don't know. Sardines? Sardine. Alright, this sardine in the English language. And here it is. I think it's also a bit smoked, no? And I really love this type. So there's nothing I can do, literally anything I can eat from all of those things without the best thing in the world. The best. Is it a vegetable or a fruit? It's a vegetable. Can you help me a bit in opening this surprise right here? I hope they are not smashed. So tomatoes. I can't live without tomatoes. Tomatoes is I can't compare it with Mariela, but tomatoes is something that I always wanted, because if I don't eat that, my food is gonna be absolutely dry, so I don't like that. Right now we're gonna make the sandwich. We'll show you. The weather, I hope it's gonna get a bit better. I don't know if it will get better. I know, but there are not many people, and I think the people that are here now, they are only the tourist people. But it's fine. I mean, they paid to come here, so why they wouldn't come here to stay in the hotel or stay in the city? I mean, don't they live in the city already? There's nothing special there. Maybe there is, but for us, the special thing right now is this beach right here. It is still really blue though, and people are getting, you know, like more and more every day. What do you think? Coffee. Oh my god, I didn't take you. Well, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. But
No, we can
get the coffee. So
we can go and get a coffee too.
We can get the spoon, so we can eat like.
We can get the spoon. So I was gonna go get the coffee before we start eating.
Well, it's okay. We can eat some things. We don't need a spoon.
All right. So Maela did yesterday a tattoo. Show us a bit of tattoo. And
I hope it goes away fast.
yeah, she messed it up and everything. It's okay, Mariela. We paid him, this dude, €5. I recorded it and I will try to upload it later when I get to Finland, if we get to Finland. And drinks. I got a bit drunk yesterday, so I'm not going to get a drink a lot, beers. So we took lemon soda. So we first tried this in Albania, and I thought it was like Albanian product or coming from like I don't know, like a cheap country, but turns out it's Italian, you know, and they have it everywhere here, and it's a really good. It's the best for Maria. Well, I didn't put either, so we just put this beef ham right here right now inside, and Maria's gonna do the same, and then, you know, just this and some tomatoes, you know, and then for the lunch we can just have this long bread here, this, some more tomatoes, the fish which will sweet perfectly, and then as snacks we're gonna have those things right here. There's a place there, I don't know if you can see it. That place there is like a small things you can buy, like, I don't know, snacks and everything, water. So we might go there and show you what they have there too. Okay, we can put some cheese too.
Yes.
We can put some cheese too. You know, when the sun comes out, it's so hot. I mean, it's really hot, and my cousin told me that when you... Oh, my friend from yesterday. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Big, my girl destroyed the
I
tattoo.
destroyed it, but it's okay.
But no problem, no problem.
You touch this, eh?
Yes, she touched this. She
Half
touched
an hour,
this.
you not touch.
Half an hour, not us,
Yeah,
Mariela.
it was the shirt. It was like
But
Yes.
the shirt, you know, the
Half an hour no touch, half an hour go water.
yes,
This
no
one.
water. But no problem, no problem. It means that you are good. This
But
is important.
you record this, eh?
Yes,
you
yes.
take one photo.
Yes, everything. We record and everything, and we record also now here. And oh, look, we eat a bit food now, breakfast.
Okay.
Today, no good weather. I understand.
I'm coming today, no understand. Morning time.
Morning time, maybe later is good.
Yes.
Have you worked today? Something tattoo?
No, today no.
I understand. But I hope you'll find something
Yes, I know.
good, my friend. Very good.
Yes, I
Nice,
good.
nice. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you very much.
Okay, possible evening, another, no problem, my friend. Okay?
no problem.
Okay. Oh, thank you. You're so kind, my friend. Thank you. Okay, later. Possible.
Okay. No
Thank
problem.
you. No problem. Thank you, man.
And
Yes.
how about the times here? 1 week, 2 weeks?
No, tomorrow go. Yes, yes.
Okay, today another.
Okay, maybe. Yes, possible.
No, for you, no, I am sorry, my friend.
No, no,
For you, I am sorry.
Okay, from a girl, it's okay.
Okay.
Thank you. You are so good boy, my friend.
Okay,
Bangladesh
thank
good
you,
boys.
my friend.
Thank you. You lucky girl. Oh, you lucky girl. So this is gonna be your breakfast for now. We are just gonna put ham, cheese, tomato, and it's perfect. Nothing more. It's just perfect. You know, I'm tired of these croissants and like those donuts and everything. This is the only thing they have there. So because we don't have a place to hide the things from the sun, and probably we're afraid that the fish things, they might get a bit I don't know, bad because of the sun. So we are going to eat them. We're going to eat them now. All right. Just 1 second. I'll just stand here. I hope you guys can see me. Just. Is he gonna throw some water out?
Is it full completely?
Eh? What?
Is it full completely?
Maybe I'll just throw some water. Sorry.
Yeah. I should eat yogurt too, but
Yogurt? What yogurt? So just open a bit here. Very good. So I think it looks good. We're gonna snack it right now. Let me give you the smell. This is how it looks. Not bad. Not bad. It's cool. Alright, Maela. Let's see what we got for 3 euros. Yeah, it was really cheap. The water, oh my god. I will miss this. 1 second.
going back to cold Finland.
Oh, it's gonna be so cold. It's like 0 already. Oh
that
my
bad?
god. I don't know what is this, but I'll try it. Well, that's like a gum too.
Should I eat it?
Yeah, it's like a small.
It's a cuttle piece. Cuttle.
Oh, what's so? Yes, my light. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go for this. Do I have to clean the city or no, Maela?
What's
I think they have some like.
Well, they should be ready with their molasses. But we don't eat that.
I think they have some. I don't know how to eat those. Anyway, let's go to this. What is this?
Gum too.
This is a gum too. Well, you get what you paid. You get what you pay, exactly. Anyway, I don't like it. Any of them.
Try this one.
I will give a chance to the. How you say this one?
Cuttle piece.
No, it's same shit. Anyway, we'll record about the other type of fish because this one is here our last cocktails in Italy. I don't think we're gonna have any cocktails in what's the name in Italy anymore. We booked our flights already for tomorrow. We are flying 9 o'clock tomorrow to Milan. From Milan we have to pick our stuff, our bags and everything. We're gonna fly from Milan to Latvia to Turku in Finland. And I'm not really excited that I will go to Latvia because I hate this place, but it's okay, it's cool. Let me show you our drinks. I don't know what is a martini mojito, but maybe the alcohol they put inside probably it's martini.
Yeah.
Makes sense. What about you, sweetie?
This is martini pink. It's like ginger. This is ginger here.
Martini pink.
It was good.
I haven't tried yet this one. The one I had in Italy, not really excited. The one I had in Bersia.
Yeah. It's good.
Oh my, it's like I'm drinking a pill. No joke, it's like I'm drinking a pill.
Ew.
Yeah.
No.
Just try it. I don't know if you ever tried this type of pill. It's like I'm drinking these vitamins, like these pills when you were a baby and you get for like a headache or something.
Yeah.
Oh, I paid 80 euro for this drink, man. Yeah, that's why I don't like this cocktail, because I just want to drink a cocktail to a good place, you know. And the only cocktail I can make is mojito, and I can make mojito so good. I can make mojito so good.
Yeah, you do. You made the best mojito.
I like it. You like it, so
You made the
so
best mojito.
that's good. So this is the beach. The sun hasn't come yet. We haven't ate yet or lunch. Well, maybe we will see. Maybe we will. Maybe we won't. We had a really big breakfast. We got so full, so I don't think we'll eat more. But we'll see. We'll show you. This video is gonna end, or SD is full. Hopefully we'll travel again. We were really happy if you make it to the end of the videos once again. Thank you for being with us, and I don't know if anyone will be, but you know, I'm just saying it already.
We'll see what we're gonna.
Yeah,
do in Finland.
we'll see what we're gonna do in Finland and everything. But for now, enjoy this beautiful place. Let's get home healthy, and thank you.